the siren's call of the winter carp. The air bites. Your breath hangs like a ghost in front of you. Most anglers have packed up, but not you. You're here for a different kind of prize. Winter carp fishing is a test of will, a battle against the elements and the fish. The cold seeps in, the days are short, and the water is still. The carp slow down, feeding rarely. This is the ultimate challenge, but the reward is immense. There's a profound silence. On a winter bankside, the crowds are gone. It's just you, the water, and the unseen giants below. Catching a carp now feels monumental, earned through patience, knowledge, and grit. These winter warriors are at peak weight, their colors deep and rich. Holding a pristine carp on a frosty morning is a memory that will warm you for years. In summer, carp are active and obvious. In winter, it's all about energy conservation. Carp group together, find comfort, and barely move. You must bring the meal to them. The hunt becomes a meticulous process of elimination, finding their hidden lairs. Why do it? Because it makes you a better angler. You learn to read subtle signs, trust your instincts, and value a single bite. The skills you hone in winter, precision, patience, watercraft, make you unstoppable come spring. It's a masterclass in angling taught by nature itself. The quiet solitude and satisfaction of a winter capture are rewards that can't be replicated. This is winter carp fishing at its purest. Choosing your battlefield. Your winter campaign is won or lost before you cast a line. Venue choice is everything. In summer, fish are everywhere. In winter, you need to stack the odds in your favor. Look for lakes with a proven winter track record. Places known to produce when temperatures drop. Skip vast, unknown waters. Choose venues where carp are accessible and known to feed. Research is your weapon. Check angling publications, websites, and social media for winter catch reports. If a fishery goes silent from November to March, it's probably a tough nut to crack. Don't hesitate to call the fishery owner or bailiff. They're a goldmine of info and want you to succeed. Favor lakes with a good stock of fish. More carp means more chances. Smaller venues, under 10 acres, are easier to tackle. Fewer hiding spots, easier location. Avoid huge, windswept pits for your winter campaign. Think small, well-stocked, and proven. Consider lake features, deep holes for stable temps, reed beds and snags for shelter, islands for patrol routes. You want features that offer carp comfort and security. Narrow your research to 2 or 3 venues, then dig deeper. The right venue sets the stage for success. Stack the odds in your favor from the start. Winter fishing is about smart choices, not just hard work. Tabor Manor's Paddock Lake. Let's look at a textbook winter venue. Paddock Lake at Tabor Manor, County Wicklow. It's a mature, intimate 3-acre water. The small size means carp are never far away. You can cover much of the lake with a few well-placed casts. No needle in a haystack feeling. The lake is well-stocked, including some impressive specimens. Fish density creates a subtle competition, even in winter. Knowing there's always a real chance of a bite keeps morale high. Paddock Lake is rich in features: silt beds, gravel patches, deeper channels, an island, overhanging trees, and reed-lined margins. These are classic winter holding areas, offering stable temps and cover. An angler can quickly identify high-probability spots, no lottery here. The venue's proven winter track record is the ultimate proof. Consistent catch reports show the carp are catchable, even in the coldest weather. This transforms your session from a gamble to a calculated operation. You're not just wishing for a fish, you're fishing where success is a real possibility. Choosing a venue like Paddock Lake is step 1 to winter success. The right water makes all the difference. Winter location and baiting. Once you've chosen your venue, finding the fish is everything. In winter, carp shoal tightly in comfort zones, stable temps, safety, shelter. Miss the shoal by a few yards and you might blank. Early winter, look to deeper water and decaying weed beds. These hold heat and natural food. Silt beds are prime real estate, rich in bloodworm and stable temps. Use a marker float to find depth and lake bed type. soft for silt, sharp for gravel. As winter deepens, carp push into sheltered areas, snags, overhanging trees, reed beds, and south-facing banks. Even a slight temp rise can trigger feeding. Don't ignore the margins. Sometimes carp are right under your feet. Baiting must be minimal and precise. Forget heavy spotting. Present a small, highly attractive parcel of food, PVA bag of crushed boilies and pellets, or a stringer of a few boilies. The goal, a tiny patch of intense attraction, just enough for one bite. Minimalist baiting prevents overfeeding and maximizes your chances. Subtle signs and hidden clues. In summer, carp are showy, leaping, crashing, rolling. In winter, they're masters of stealth. The spectacular shows are gone. Now it's about the faintest clues. Spotting these subtle signals is vital. Become a detective, scan the water, not your phone. The water whispers its secrets if you're watching. Fizzing is a key sign, tiny pimpered bubbles, not summer champagne fizz. A small cluster that appears and vanishes can mean carp are feeding or just exhaling. See it repeatedly in one area, you've likely found them. Look for unnatural water movement, swirls, a reed stem rocking, a gentle bulge on the surface. Sometimes a carp rolls so gently it barely breaks the surface, a slow bulge, then it settles. These fleeting moments are easy to miss. Stay alert. Bird life is another clue. Coots and ducks often dive where carp are present, drawn to the same food and warmth. If birds are persistently diving in one spot, investigate. It could be a winter holding area. Birds know where the life is. Use their behavior as a clue. In winter, the smallest sign can lead to the biggest reward. Watch, wait, and trust your instincts. The clues are there for those who look. My go-to winter rigs. Winter carp are cautious. Your rigs must be subtle, efficient, and reliable. This isn't the time for complex setups. Use rigs you trust to present your bait perfectly and convert gentle pickups into runs. Over the years, I've refined my winter approach to 3 deadly presentations. First, the solid PVA bag, my #1 winter choice. A small, packed bag of micro pellets and crushed boilie hides a short, supple hook link with a balanced hook bait. The hook point stays sharp, and the carp finds a small, unthreatening mouthful. Second, the single, high-attract pop-up on a spinner or Ronnie rig. In cold, clear water, a bright pop-up in pink, yellow, or white, soaked in flavor, can be irresistible. The spinner rig's mechanics ensure efficient hooking, even with tentative bites. Use this when you want your bait to stand out. Third, the simple bottom bait rig with a small PVA stringer. Perfect for wary fish or clean spots. A small, highly digestible boilie on a subtle hair rig, critically balanced. These rigs cover every winter scenario, baiting strategy and preparation. Winter carp need easily digestible, high attraction, low feed baits. Heavy, oily baits can put them off. Focus on aroma and flavor, not quantity. Single hook baits, bright pop-ups, or glug bottom baits are deadly. A few carefully chosen free offerings can boost your chances. Crushed boilies release attractors instantly, creating a scent cloud without overfeeding. Mix with tiny pellets for a perfect PVA bag or small spot mix. Washed out baits, soaked in lake water for a day or two, look safe to wary carp. Boost attraction with water-soluble liquid attractors. Sweet, fruit, or alcohol-based flavors work well in the cold. Don't neglect naturals. Maggots are a top winter bait, wriggling, visual, and easily digestible. A ball of maggots in a PVA bag or bait dropper can be deadly. Sweet corn is another classic, bright, sweet, and irresistible. A single grain of plastic corn over a few real grains is a simple, effective winter presentation. Night fishing tactics. Winter nights are long and cold, but they can be the most productive time. Many anglers leave at dusk, missing out as carp feed more confidently in darkness. Preparation is key. Organize your camp before dark. Know where everything is. Keep your head torch and essentials close. Your landing net, mat, and sling should be ready. A tidy camp means a clear mind. For recasting, Use far bank markers and distance sticks before dark. Clip up your line for pinpoint accuracy at night. This ensures you can reset your trap perfectly after a bite. Stay warm and alert. A quality sleeping bag and bed chair are essential. Use a receiver for your bite alarms. Keep it close in your sleeping bag. Set sensitivity high enough for tentative bites, but not so high you get false alarms. A single bleep could be your only warning. Subtle indications at night often lead to winter giants. Don't fear the dark, embrace it. The best fish often come while the world is sleeping. The importance of good venues. We've covered fish, rigs, and bait, but don't forget the angler. In winter, staying warm, dry, and comfortable is critical to your success. If you're cold and miserable, you'll lose focus and cut corners. Choose venues with good facilities, solid swims, on-site toilets, even heated huts or pods. These aren't luxuries. They help you fish longer and better. Access to hot food and drink is a game changer. A cafe or kettle can lift your spirits and keep you sharp. Some venues even deliver food to your swim. Less time on shores, more time fishing. Winter carp fishing is a marathon. Good amenities help you endure and stay focused. Don't be a hero. Comfort is a strategic choice. The challenge is catching carp, not surviving the cold. Plan for comfort, and your patience, concentration, and success will soar. The less energy you spend on survival, the more you can invest in outwitting the fish. Smart choices off the water lead to more fish on the bank.